Winch off this old rotten stump here. Hopefully it holds. Apparently you're not going backwards or forwards. Oh yeah, here it comes. Well, hamburgers are finished.
How's the look there, Brady?
Where? Here?
Yeah.
Aside from all these little pecker poles, it's all good. You're gonna break like everything that I'm standing on. But to drive back up is no problem. So yeah, we finished up our hamburgers and now we're gonna see about driving up this thing. But as this is a clear cut, there is a lot of trees down, so it's difficult to walk until we run a car through it.
Feel that, Brady?
Plus, yeah, it's another skidder trail right down here.
Confidence is inspiring.
I feel like I'm gonna get some wet feet here. I don't really know where Jim's going. I don't think Jim really knows where Jim's going. You guys will be the first to know if I get wet feet here. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, that was a fall down. Ow. Oh, I smashed my knee on that one. Ah, good stuff. Ow. Owie. That hurt me. It's always a good sign if we can't walk, if we're gonna be able to drive our rigs up it. Making it work. At least we got the most built rig in the front for once. He has an easier time pushing through all these deadfall. You'll get it. There's a good spot to back up there. Gotta get that moss off there somehow. I don't know where we're going from here, but we're here.
I don't know either.
We've made it.
That's fucked up. I'm going down. He's gonna have to get winched
Woo! You're walking to the sketchy side. Also, watch out for the impaler over there. There you go. Now go for one regroup. Straight back, a regroup, I think you'll be okay. Nice. Well done. Killed it. Yeah, regroup, you'll get her. a rock on your rear pumpkin. Yes! There you go. You're right on some stumps, but I don't think you're screwed. A little regroup. And I'm not even looking. And then he makes it happen.
Fucking like a champion.
Exactly. It's because nobody was looking. That's why. That's why it happened.
You're doing some good driving today.
Nice. You got her. It's gonna start coming down in the front. So you'll be okay. Just roll out. You'll probably hit that tree and stop. Oh, Jim's out with the hood up. That's a bad sign. It's a gnarly little trail for an open diff track. Apparently Jim lost a fan belt, so. Fan belt down? Did you kill it or did you just spit it off? Oh, do we have to find it?
I forgot the fucking belts. I have 3 belts at home. I have no belts.
Well, Jim is overheating now because he spat off a fan belt somewhere. So it might be shredded, but it might also be back here. So I'm gonna take a quick look, see if I can find his fan belt, or he's gonna be running hot for the rest of the day. Yep, straight up. Give it a rest for a minute. She's steaming. Winch off this old rotten stump here. Hopefully it holds. Might not. There's not much to winch on out here. Nice. You must be caught on something that I can't see. Oh, you got a big old piece of firewood that's like under your rear drive shaft, and as you come forward it lifts your rear end up. I haven't got the pink one out though. It's definitely smoked though. And headlight.
Kevin's rebuilding the fuse here.
I'm trying.
This is why you have to bring an electrician on the trail.
We got a strap
there you go,
there.
Kevin.
The road's right up there.
Sweet.
There's a huge log under my fucking ass still.
Well, so he snooped one of his fusible links, his 60 amp one, so we just pulled it apart. Kevin pried the two sides together, and it's arcing out, but arcing out meaning it's running. Battery only had 12 volts, but it started, so should be good. You going forwards or backwards?
Backwards first.
Good idea. Apparently you're not going backwards or forwards. Oh yeah, here it comes. He's off, he's off, he's good. I think we're going this way. I guess we got a new trail now. So just burned up at the top of the hill, met a couple buddies, but we're going to head down pretty soon. So Jim's got no steering belt, so he's getting warm, but it's pretty much all downhill from here. Riley's rig once we pushed that fuse together, or fused that fusible link. It seems to be running good, so he's been okay. Don't think Kevin had any problems, so it's been a good day. A couple belts for Jim and a couple fall downs for me, but all things considered, epic day on the trail. Good burgers, good weather, starting to get cold, so it's time to head home and get some dinner. Cheers. Stay tuned next week for more wheeling adventures. I been working on my rig a little bit, so hopefully I will have it out on the trail real soon. Cheers. Wow, we're just bombing down the hill. Jim's door bar keeps swinging open on him, and we got no fan, so we're getting hot, but it's all downhill. Riley's behind us. So it sounds like the rad's a little hot. She's a screamer.
Oh, she's steaming. We just made it.
Yeah. I think we got here in time.
Look at the belt on this.
We're still spinning the water pump though,
I can't
right?
believe that.
That's ready to blow up too.
Yeah.